Ukraine's nature reserves, the wildlife, a unique environment of coexistence, the national nature parks, which have become a battlefield. Parks, a silent witness to horrific crimes and their involuntary victims. Territories protected by UNESCO and a number of international conventions are occupied. More than 3.5 million hectares of such territories have been affected by war. The steppe of Ascania Nova is on fire. The Kinburn Spit is burning. The unique landscapes of Gerald Hodge are ravaged. The Oleshki sands are blocked. The bird nesting sites in the Dnipro Delta are destroyed. The blowing up of the Kakhovka hydroelectric power station dam has led to the degradation of the Dnipro national parks. Their unique flora and fauna are on the verge of extinction. Nature is recovering very slowly. The ecological balance is very fragile. So the ecocide must be stopped, measured, and punished. This is our common task for the sake of future generations, for the sake of justice, for the sake of nature.